Thank you for tuning in to this video on my channel. And what I got going on here, if you're watching this, you probably got the same thing, is pretty well a noise. You know, the normal Mitsubishi pretty well engine tick. Let me go ahead and start the car. You can't hear it too bad, but it's now the oil pressure light does flicker on and off, just faint, just very faintly. So what you got going on here is the lifters, they are not pumping up. They got a little check ball and stuff. They ain't normal lifters or how they function, but you know, basically they either dirty or the check ball stuck, stuff like that. Usually you can give it a fresh oil change, rev it up to 3,000, hold it a few seconds, let off the gas. Do that a few times and that takes care of that. It pumps all the old oil out and stuff out of the lifter. Sometimes I can fix it. I ain't tried it on this one because I done noticed something. So let me show you what I noticed. Underneath, my oil pan is dented pretty bad. As you can see, the oil pan's been off this before. Could be a number of reasons why the oil pan dented, I don't know. I'm going to take it off and maybe, if we're lucky, the pan is pushed up against the pickup tube and stopping the engine of oil. So, let's take the oil pan off and see what we got. The good thing about these oil pans is they are easy to get to. As you can see, that's a good view of it. Because this being bent up right in here, this is where your pickup tube is, could be pressing against it and stopping the engine of its much needed oil. Or it could just have a ton of blue glue in the pickup and got it stopped off. So, either way, we're taking this off and going to look at it. It ain't going to hurt nothing. The bolts are 10mm. Make sure your engine is cooled off. You can do this with your engine warm, but you risk burning yourself and the oil is going to be hot. So just do it when the engine is cooled off. Make sure you got a pan underneath this, because this will basically spill a lot of oil. It's easier to actually loosen your drain plug and let the oil drain out and then drop your pan. But did I do that? No. Well, the pickup tube kind of was smashed into the pan. I don't know if you can see the damage on the pickup tube or not, but I will have to try to straighten this pickup tube out. Make sure it ain't damaged nowhere else. And check the motor for any more damages. So hopefully this engine has not destroyed from the lack of oil, because it still is getting oil, it just wasn't getting enough oil. So we'll clean this up, get a gasket for it, and we install the oil pan and give it an oil change, and hopefully we'll be good to go. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will provide an update video, so definitely hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, or drop me a comment and I'll let you know what happened. But as I said before, hopefully this is a simple fix for this engine. You can get this oil pan brand new for like $25 off eBay. I think $90 at the parts store. So it just depends if you're in a hurry to get it or not. But before you junk your motor or anything like that, check your oil pan. Make sure it ain't got dented up and pretty well stop the oil flow from the pickup tube. See you next time. Thank you for watching.